am Abhinav Agarwal.
I am Mohit Vishwakarma. I am Prince Kumar.
And today we are present here to present our project which is based on IoT, a smart dustbin. The smart dustbin with IoT based system is a modern solution for improving waste management in cities. This project uses IoT technology to automatically check the dustbin fill level and send the real-time updates to the user through the Blink IoT app.
The components used in this project are ESP, jumper wire, Wi-Fi and ultrasonic sensor. These things get used in the project and the project is very feasible in cost. Now we can see the advantages by Siddhi.
There are many advantages of this IoT-based smart dustbin, such as it provides real-time monitoring of dustbin, it reduces overflow and helps in improving the hygiene, save times and manual labor, waste collection, supports smart city and Swachh Bharat mission. Now, Abhinav is here for the working model.
Now we will see the working model of this model. This is ultrasonic sensor, this is node MCU and this is our Wi-Fi module. And this all components are connected with each other. Now here you can see the garbage level which is 0%. Now when the ultrasonic sensor detect the distance of the garbage, it reflect that 100%, and when it comes 80% or above than it, then it push the notification on it and the GPS module with location. Now we can see that the ultrasonic sensor measure the distance between the sensor and the waste surface. Now when the garbage was filling inside the it, like I was showing, fill the garbage inside it. You see that the percentage was increasing slowly, like the garbage. That you can see that 26% garbage and now 90%.
Your dustbin is full. Please clean it.
Because 80% was completed in his range, and you can see the location was coming, because when the dustbin get full with 80% and more, then the notification come and the user can view the real-time status on the Blinkit desktop. Now we can see the conclusion of this project.